Good afternoon, everyone. I am Uma Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture series, I am going to explain about the platform which is used as a cloud service. For that, we'll compare this with the infrastructure as a cloud service first, where infrastructure as a service provides virtual machines and resources such that the vendors can segment resources from each user, and this infrastructure providers can also make users they do not need to purchase the hardware. Then they can also make better use of the resources, but this is not enough for performing the best service model. So we'll be going for a platform as a service model. In this infrastructure as a service model, we'll be using the data which is from the layer down to layer top model, that is networking, storage, services, virtualization, operating service, middleware, runtime, data, applications. This is being used by us in order to manage the data, but that is being used by the traditional IT, traditional information technologies being used by those layers. But where the normal infrastructure uses in order to provide and manage the data, will be using visualization, storage, servers and the networking. Then in order to manage the data buyers, will be using operating system, middleware, runtime, data and the applications. So this infrastructure providers uses virtual or physical machines, but it cannot alter the quantity automatically, where the consumers might require automatic make decisions of dispatching jobs to available resources. It needs a running environment or a development and testing platform to design their applications or the services. So here we'll be using a platform as a service model. Here it uses a series of properties that can satisfy the user requirements. Then this platform as a service guarantees the quality of resources, services and the applications. Then this platform as a service model is a computing platform that abstracts the infrastructure, operating system and the middleware to drive the developer productivity. Here the examples and the explanation of platform as a service model is explained here in the diagram. Then the platform as a service deliver the computing platform by developing applications using programming languages and tools supported by the platform as a service provider, then deploying consumer created applications onto the cloud infrastructure. Here we'll be using first platform. The core platform will be at the middle. Then from the core platform, the resource pool, from the core platform, the data is being sent to the resource pool, and also those data is being finalized where the abstract is made ready and it is being provided to the enabling services. Then here resource pool, it provides the smallest unit of resource, and also it uses 1 GHz CPU computation availability, 1 GHz storage space, 1 MB memory space, where it also consumes where the consumers can also require units on the demand. Here the consumers may not be aware of whether provided the resource is dedicated or shared. Core platform, here to provide a reliable environment for running applications and services. This core platform provides basic functionalities of a platform as a service environment. It also acts as a bridge between the consumer and the hardware. Enabling services, this enabling services are the main focus of consumers. It also consumes using various sustaining services to develop their applications. First one is programming IDE, then next one is system control interfaces. It provides some development tools such as profiler, debugger and testing environment. Then system control interfaces describes the flow of installation and configuration of the resources. Finally, we'll go for the assessment here. How we'll be analyzing the requirements of consumers with respect to the infrastructure as a service. First one is large scale resource abstraction and the management. Next one is requirement of large scale sources on demand, running and hosting environment, automatic and autonomous mechanism, distribution and management of jobs, access control and authentication. Thank you.